In 1918, the Assyrians in Urmia, within a time frame of 6 weeks, fought 14 victorious battles with the Turks. The number of martyrs remains unknown, but ultimately they died in vain, as the Assyrians were driven into what would be known as the final exodus. The sufferings of the Assyrians throughout the long and hazardous journey from Urmia to Hamadan are unimaginable. Many of those that fled their homes left with nothing but the clothes on their backs. They had no time to anticipate the journey ahead. There was lack of food and water for the refugees. Diseases broke out. And as the fleeing Assyrians were now pursued by the enemy, they had no time to properly bury their dead. Naturally, the progress of the refugees was slow, as they were traveling with the elderly and the young children. They traveled along a river that ran a zigzag path through a valley. Islamic militants from Urmia, headed by a Persian general, had started on the pursuit. During the night, as the Assyrians were resting, many of them fell asleep from fatigue and exhaustion. The militants stationed themselves over the hills nearby, awaiting morning. As the sun rose, the militants opened fire. 5,000 Assyrians were slaughtered in this attack. Following the heartless massacre of innocent women and children, the Persian general sent a telegram to his superiors that read, "I have sent a few more thousand dogs into hell." Before they reached Hamadan, more than 15,000 bodies had been left scattered and unburied. Similarly, in the Assyrian exodus from Persia to Baqubba, thousands perished as a result of starvation, diseases, and massacres. Others were taken into captivity. The journey lasted 25 days. 7,000 more Assyrians died after their arrival in the British camp in Baqubba. Thank you.